Hello, everyone. Good day. I would like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I am Romel Alferez. I am a father of my one daughter, Iya, a husband of my wife, Apple Joy Alferez. I am making this YouTube channel for my ministry in the church and for my personal memories. And I would like to save the memories, the beautiful memories of my child Iya, and all the videos that I will be uploading here is related to to them, to my wife, and to my child Iya, and to my ministry. So you can watch my videos, and if you want to comment, you can comment as well. Enjoy. I hope that you will enjoy the videos that I will be uploading in this YouTube platform. So have a good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel again. Thank you.